Joseph Francis was born in Spain in 1743. From a young age, Joseph was friendly towards the Capuchin friars, and he earnestly desired to join these Franciscan brothers. Unfortunately, Joseph experienced many hardships with regards to his education, and initially found it impossible to join a Franciscan order because of his academic inadequacy. However, Joseph was finally able to be admitted to the Capuchins of Seville in 1759 as Didacus, and was ordained a priest. Specifically called to preach, Didacus was a skilled orator who would be called the Apostle of the Holy Trinity for his love of the Godhead. So marked was the influence of Didacus's speech that it astonished an old classmate of his, a Dominican named Antonio Querero. Especially devoted to penance, prayer, and the salvation of souls, Didacus Joseph of Cadiz is an inspiration of perseverance in spite of academic hardship. His death was in 1801 and his canonization in 1894. Blessed Didacus Joseph of Cadiz, ora pro nobis.